Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage for the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana High Court stenotypist and triple S exam. Ready? Start. Judicial descent, an old weapon in the armory of judges reflects the state of opinion in given facts of a case reached at after due consideration of the factual and legal position deliberated before the courts by the lawyers. Full stop. The fervor surrounding the judicial pronouncements is to ensure equitable justice to every litigant. Full stop. This commitment of judiciary is so strong and deep rooted that even the judges, while adorning the same bench, despite having no desire to feel the pleasure to differ with the brother judges, go on to differ in their opinions. Full stop. The dissent opinion always infers a minority view at the first instance, but it is surely one of the key indicators of a robust and independent judicial system. Full stop. Societal equilibrium and faith in rule of law depends on the strength of the dignity of the judicial office. Full stop. This diversity in opinions being an integral part of judicial system promulgates the canons of judicial ethics. Full stop. Stanza. It is not always possible to achieve consensus and unanimity while deciding any matter. Full stop. To take different points of view into consideration is one of the most important practices in the process of decision making, and it is very helpful in the development of the democratic reconciliation. Full stop. Stanza. When this issue is considered in terms of law, we encounter with the concepts of dissenting and concurring opinions. Full stop. The concept of dissenting opinion and concurring opinion may be briefly defined as a democratic mechanism reflecting the thoughts of the ones who fall outside the majority vote on any subject. Full stop. Stanza. Dissenting judgments are a valuable contribution to legal development and jurisprudence. Full stop. There are broadly three situations in which dissents are acceptable. Full stop. First, where the dissenter feels that his or her colleagues in their majority ruling have gone badly off the juristic rails. Full stop. It is useful to have the departure from traditional doctrine or legal principle pointed up in a separate judgment. Full stop. Secondly, if the dissenter thinks that the majority decision is insufficiently forward looking, a declaration of tomorrow's received wisdom in place of today's adherence to the doctrine of precedence is helpful to society. Full stop. Thirdly, a dissent may be necessary where the rival arguments in the majority judgments are inadequately displayed. Full stop. The dissent will point up the area of disagreement. Full stop. Judges are not passionless instruments which weigh on inanimate and impartial scales of legal judgment, the evidence and the arguments presented on each side of the case. Full stop. Stanza. It is clear that judges dissent only when it is absolutely necessary to do so. Full stop. Unanimity, which is merely formal and which is recorded at the expense of strong conflicting views, is not desirable in a court of last resort. Full stop. Judges are not there simply to decide cases, but to decide them as they think they should be decided, and while it may be regrettable that they cannot always agree it is better that their independence should be maintained and recognized than that unanimity should be secured through its sacrifice. Full stop and over. So ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी फॉर द एस्पायरेंट्स who are preparing for ट्रिपल एस एंड स्टेनो टाइपिस्ट एग्जाम. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा and must subscribe our channel for steno related contents and more steno dictations like this. Thanks to all. Be practice for a better future.